very useful as it helps them balance across tree vines as well as tree branches.
Now, their ringtail serves another important purpose. When traveling in a group, they hold it up high to keep everyone together or wave at each other to signal a rival group nearby.
Yes. So, although the ringtail lemurs will spend most of their time on the ground, they also like to jump around. So, today, Eva is going to show everyone over here how high she can jump and also how far. Okay? So, we're going to start off with a vertical jump. So, let's wait for her to be ready. Okay, ready, steady, and Eva. Okay, now that was a good warm up. I think she can jump a little bit higher than that. Get a little bit higher this time, love it. And oh, there you go. Now they can jump almost 3 times their own body height and almost 30 feet between trees and tree branches. Now they use their incredible hind legs of gas to help them escape as well as avoid predators. So I think she has done a great job today. So let's all give her a big round of